placing the steering shock in this razor. So if you ever get your shock and it's fully extended like this, if you ever have issues with it,
typically the issues arise during shipping. The spring will actually become fully extended, and it's very difficult to compress alone. If you do try to do that, it's like this. It's very, very difficult. We recommend trying to either fold some cardboard up and put it on top of that, or a piece of wood in between your hand, and then putting it basically on the ground and using your body weight to compress that down. Or you can do like so. You want to take that bottom bolt, start your install like that, and then what you're going to do, I use the steering wheel, lift it up as high as you can go, prop it underneath there. It won't be seated or anything, but that'll be able to get you leverage on the shock itself. You'll be able to slide the bolt through there. And then you see it's able to be moved into place even after arriving fully extended in the box. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us and ask for Nick. He is the installation pro on